I have a full Cyber Street Voltex kit on the car. The whole exhaust system's about 10 pounds. You know, you can pick it up and chuck it with one hand.
That's crazy.
Let's just say I maxed out a few credit cards.
No, okay, I bet. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another 3 Teams with Jerry here. Today we have an insane build, man, and I can't wait to show you guys what we have going on. It's been a while since the last time we did this, so let's get into it. We got one of our good friends right here, Alex. Alex, what's up, man?
Hey, how you doing, John?
Hey, thank you so much for coming out. Thanks for making time. I know it's been some time since both been back and forth, right?
Yeah.
So Alex, let's go ahead and get into it. A lot of our audience have been asking about this. You know, when are you gonna do like an all-wheel drive car, a JDM all-wheel drive car? So, Songbo,
yeah,
should have been there, but you know,
Songbo's a nice car.
Exactly. But Alex, let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Introduce yourself and what do you have here? Hey,
my name's Alex. This is a 2006 Lancer Evolution MR, Evo 9. I went all out. I was really into the track. I started out in the car show scene. Car shows got a little boring for me, and I started tracking, and then after that I fell in love with the functionality of modifying a car. So I guess we could work from the outside in. I have a full Cyber Street Voltex kit on the car. I have the Cyber Street lip, front bumper. I have the street canards, fenders, over fenders, the hood, the GT wing. I have a rear diffuser, side skirts, craft square, carbon fiber side mirrors.
Nice.
And this isn't Evo 9, but I really like the matte black for the headlights. So I got the JDM Evo 8 MR.
I just noticed that. I'm sorry to cut you off there. I just noticed that actually. That's crazy.
Yeah, and then so I got the matching tail lights, but this is a 9.
Nice.
Underneath, I didn't do much. Basic bolt-ons, really. I have Telford 272 cams, titanium valve springs and retainers for the head. I have a tune, just a regular dyno tune, front mount, intercooler. I don't have too much going on for power mods.
Seems like a lot, honestly, what you just said, honestly.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
And when you said basic stuff like that, it's definitely not basic, bro. Them cams are definitely not basic.
Well, I mean, when you like really get into it, it's mainly just bolt-ons, really. A lot of other guys, you know, they build the block and really they build the head and all that, but I kept mine pretty much stock. Just for reliability purposes.
Okay.
Again, I do track the car, but I wasn't going to be like full-on race.
Right.
So I wanted some reliability there.
I see.
Suspension-wise, I have JRZ RS Pro, and I have a Cusco sway and strut bar. And then for rigidity, I have a full welded-in 6-point cage from TC Designs. The exhaust, I have a full truss titanium catback exhaust.
Is it all the way from the cat? Or like all the way from cat all the way to the downpipe?
Yes.
Oh, that's crazy, dude.
The whole exhaust system's about 10 pounds. You know, you can pick it up and chuck it with one hand.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah. I think that's it.
That's about it. Okay, cool, man, dude. When you said basic stuff, that is definitely not basic, bro. I was like, that's crazy, man. But no, I mean, thanks for sharing all that information, man. It seems like a lot of Evo guys nowadays, you could barely find well-built Evos like this.
Thanks.
And you, as an Evo owner, you know that.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure if you live around here, you see a lot of Evos from time to time, but it's always going to be different. Like Songbo has one, you know that, right? But everyone's got their own flavor.
Yeah.
And the reason why I reached out to Songbo is, all right, he's got some guys. Also, I got to reach out to him too. He told me about you. I was like, all right, this is it, bro. Like,
yeah, thank
you. Now, you know, let's go ahead and ask a couple questions, man. I'm pretty sure a lot of these, you know, a lot of the younger owners who might be, you know, inspiring or dreaming to own one of these, right? I'm gonna go ahead and get some bullet questions right now, man. So, what are some of the advices, or what are some thoughts that you could probably give to our young audience that might be, you know, hey, one day I'm gonna build one of those cars, man, one of those Evos.
Yeah. Don't do it. No.
That's a good one.
No, I'm kidding. Honestly, find a car that you love. You know, find a car that you love. Really think about what you want to do. And I always ask people when they modify cars, what's their goal, right? Like if you want a low and slow, car show scene, you want functionality, all of that matters because that will help you curate your list of modifications for the car.
True.
because a lot of times, a lot of those show bits, it's not practical for the application. So, for example, if I'm full on track, I don't need all the titanium little bits. All you have to have something functional. You have to have something readily available, just in case things go wrong. But then, if you want to enter the car show scene and you want to compete in the car show scene, then all of those other parts matter because you won't be using the car as much.
You want to be flashy.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Out. Yeah, that definitely.
So really, I know a lot of times when you modify a car, I used to be this way myself.
Yeah.
I wanted the best of both worlds.
Oh yeah.
But when you start using the car, it's hard to maintain.
Right.
You got to think about the maintenance.
That's true.
And what you want to do. So
and it's not cheap. You know that.
It's not cheap.
It's not cheap. You know that, man.
That's why I say don't do it. But hey, I did it. I love it.
Yeah.
I have no regrets.
Okay.
I have no regrets.
Cool.
Find your passion and then think about where you want to go with that.
Yeah.
So car show, functionality, or just daily driving. But at the end of the day, whatever you do, make sure it's something that you enjoy.
Right.
Make sure it's something that you love.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Then you don't worry about anything else.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Appreciate it, dude. That was actually good advice. Second question we got here, Alex. So how did you get into the scene?
Wow. You really making me go back into the archives.
Dude, that's how we do it out here.
How did I get into the scene? When I was younger, I had no idea. I couldn't even tell cars from their headlights or taillights. I had zero idea. And then one day, an old acquaintance of mine bought an Evo 8, and he wanted to track it. And we all just got our driver's license, and I was excited just to learn how to drive, stick, right? So it was like a slow progression, a slow evolution,
right?
No pun intended, sort of. So I got my driver's license, got my car. My buddy got his car. Then he went to the track with his Evo. I sat in the car, and I just fell in love with it. I don't know what it is. I don't know, but I fell in love with it, and I really, really wanted an Evo. And so I worked really hard. I saved up my money, and I was able to afford and get the Evo. And then after that, I, get on the internet, find groups, meetups, because back then we all used to go to meetups. And so I actually got into the scene by going to car shows first.
Nice.
And I used to hang out with a lot of older people who were also in the scene.
Right.
So I used to go with them to car shows, and I just kind of fell in love with it. Hanging out, kicking it with the homies, seeing and admiring all these other cars and the customization, the artistry, and just one thing led to another. I ended up getting my Evo. I started modifying it. The mod bug hit me, and I was fortunate enough to be with a great group of people.
People.
Yeah, I used to be part of Team Emperor. I don't know if you familiar with that? Part of Team Emperor out here in NorCal, and we used to go to the meets, not in Coma, but it was in Tanforan. Now this is way back.
I was in high school that time, bro.
I used to kick it out there.
Okay.
And then again, we all just hung out together, went to meets, and then after the meets, we started going to the car shows together. And then after car shows, we're like, hey, why don't we do something with our cars? And that's what got me into going into the track.
Okay.
And it was just a progression.
So that's how it started.
But yeah, that's how I got into it. Just meeting really cool people.
Yeah.
And I'm actually still connected with everyone here that I meet.
I could tell, bro.
I know everyone here through cars.
How much did you spend for the whole bill? How much? Yeah, at least a ballpark. If you want to be specific, that's cool too.
I'll be honest with you. I really
you just ran out.
I went crazy.
I could tell, bro.
That's all I can say.
I could tell.
I went crazy. Let's just say I maxed out a few credit cards.
No, okay, I bet.
I was young and dumb, when I.
How old were you when you got this?
I got this when I was 18.
18. Oh wow. So you were dude.
I got this when I was 18.
Okay.
Yeah. And I like I said, I got this when I was 18. Then I started working. I got my first real job. Thought I was making real money. Maxed out a few credit cards. I spent a lot of money.
Okay. Let's just leave it at that.
Yeah, I spent a pretty penny.
That's
a lot of money. On this
that's good. That's good. Man, that should be good enough, honestly. Yeah. And actually, one of the things I personally want to ask you, man.
Yeah.
So, what made you decide to go with the green accent?
I know probably some people watching this. I know that this color is a love-hate. I understand that. This car used to be white. It was wicked white. That was the original color.
Okay.
And I don't know what it is. Again, I'm just drawn to it. I love vibrant colors. I love really bright colors. And at the time, there were TE37s. That year that came out, there was Takata green and like an orange one. But when I saw the Takata green, I just had to have them.
Okay.
That's really what it is. Again, my car, the modifications, everything I chose, I just felt it just came from passion.
Right.
You know, I can't.
Core.
Yeah, I just don't know what it is. I just fell in love with it, and I wanted to do it. So I used to have, it was white with green, and then I never got over the green. So I had a couple of wheels since then, but I came back to the Takata green wheels.
Nice.
So
nice.
I just love them, really. It's just a personal preference of mine. I designed this car around the Cyber Evo, and I'm not sure if you're familiar with that, but the Cyber Evo, Voltex gained prominence in like the 2010s because of their body kit.
Yeah.
The all-wheel drive class for the World Time Attack Challenge. So I tried to build this car the way that they built the Cyber Evo, and this is a wide body with an over fender, but the wheel itself, I got an 18 by 10.5 with a -25 offset.
The reason why I asked that, you know, because some people may ask the same thing.
Yeah.
I got an Evo, I want to run the same spec.
Yeah.
I know sometimes people don't really want to, they want to gatekeep, that's fine, all of that too. It's up to you guys if you want to run the same thing, guys. But honestly, I just want to be transparent there too, honestly.
I'm really glad that you asked, because I want to share that information.
Yeah, thank you.
For anybody, I mean, this is an old car, but for a long time, I found that really frustrating, especially on all the forums and all that. I don't know why people were gatekeeping. They don't share their specs. And I had to do all this by trial and error.
Oh man, I bet, I bet.
I had an 18 by 11 wheel at one point, and it was too wide, I couldn't fully turn.
Right.
And these Evos, they 3-point U-turn, they suck, you know? So I had to figure it all out myself. So I just want to share, if any of you guys, if you want to know, 18, 10.5, -25 offset. Volt does make a wheel that wide. You don't have to do anything, custom 3-piece, nothing. So
there you go, there you guys have it.
Because I do want to, you know, I'm not going to hide all that stuff. I want to help. I want to help the community, because that's how I got into it when I was younger. I had a lot of great help, a lot of people that looked after me. And, you know, it was about the camaraderie for me.
Oh yeah,
that's what made me stay.
I bet, man.
So yeah, I mean, if you have any other questions, I'm happy to.
I'm gonna leave Alex's Instagram underneath right here. You don't have to really, you know, spam him or whatnot. But if you have some questions, you could always comment down below, and also you could always reach out to Alex. His information is gonna be underneath. If you can't find it, we can always reach out to me, man. But who do you want to give a shout out for this build?
So many people. So many people have helped me out.
People and all that.
So many people. Off the top here. Joey and Ryan, they helped me out a lot. All of my friends, Brian, Patrick, Ryan, Joey, Jimmy. I have a friend named Matthew, he owns a shop. My other friend who painted the car.
Oh, Matthew from the shop, yeah, I met him, yeah.
My other friend who painted the car took care of me. His name's Joe, J&T Auto Body.
There you go.
Evasive Motorsports.
Oh yeah,
that's where I got most of my.
Okay,
that's where I got most of my parts. It's been a long time. I don't know if you guys, we never met officially, but Evasive Motorsports.
Business.
Yeah. The tune I got was from Road Race Engineering down in SoCal. Another person too.
Yeah.
Very, very important. His name is Wyman from Workshop. Wyman and Andy, the guys from Workshop. Gary from Elite Performance.
Oh yeah, Gary.
Yeah, you know Gary.
Yeah, S2K, man. We've done businesses with them, that's why.
For sure.
Yeah.
All of those guys, they've been great help. Shout out to Voltex.
Oh yeah.
I love all your products.
I think everyone does.
Yeah, I like to joke that I was like, aside from Evasive, I was like the first, this is probably like the second person with a full Voltex kit from a consumer perspective. So thank you.
Yeah.
My OG friends from Emperor. I still think about all you guys.
Man. Well, there you guys have it, man. Alex, thank you once again, bro.
Thank you
so much for making time. I know,
for sure.
I know you're a busy man. I know you're a busy person. I know.
Yeah.
We all are. Both of us are. Yeah, it's good. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys enjoyed this build, do me a favor, smash the like button down below, and also subscribe for more Street Scenes for J-Ray videos. And also, make sure to follow Alex's build right here. And also make sure to follow Alex, man. If you have any questions about Alex's Evo, then dude, just give him a holler or comment down below. We'll go ahead and help you out. We're not gatekeeping anyone at all. That's actually one of my goals. Actually, is to not gatekeep.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
Yeah, do your research first, and if you really can't do anything, holla at us and we'll try to help you as much as possible.
For sure. Yeah, let me know. Reach out.
Yeah, exactly. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let's see you guys in the next episode. Peace.
All right. See you guys.
Cool.